After the project got approved, we added another column to show the project status. And here we recorded what happened to each activity. The first activity was delayed. The first four activities were delayed. And activity 10 and 11 started after activity 2. So we highlight this activity, change that to red, as well as this activity, change it to red, meaning a change has occurred. So activity 10 started after activity 2. Activity 11 started after activity 2. But the duration is still the same, the project duration. In the case of projects that were delayed, the duration changed. So we have a formula depending on the completion. To do that, we have to increase the decimal. So we have to increase the decimal places to show the dates, the, not only the weeks but also the days of its completed. So, or a fraction of the week. So we copy this and paste. So we can change this area, this range manually. And we change this to the date, valid date. So data validation, date is a validate, save. And this will be equal to finish date minus start date and divided by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. And drag this formula downwards. So we have the formula on these activities that change. Now we can change the dates. This was delayed to January 18. This got delayed to February 15. This got delayed to April 27. And this got delayed to March 28. And our project was completed on the 4th of July. So as you make changes, you highlight those activities with changes before you make changes to the duration. Change the duration only to the days that were affected, and you're free to change the selector based on the changes to when the activity got started.